Hi all. In the last class, we learned the meaning and definition of accounting. In today's class, I am going to teach about the objectives of accounting. So, in that first one is maintenance of records of business transactions. What does it mean? Accounting is used for the maintenance of a systematic record of all financial transactions in books of account. Here I will explain this point through an example. If there is one most brilliant executive or manager in the office, he cannot accurately remember the numerous amount of varied transactions such as purchases, sales, receipts, payments, etc. that take place in business every day. Hence, a proper and complete records of all business transactions are kept regularly. So, this is about first point. And next, we will go to the second point, that is calculation of profit and loss. Before explaining this point, we have to learn what is profit and what is loss. First, I will explain profit. Profit represents excess of revenue over expenses. Revenue means here income, and loss. It is the exactly opposite of profit. It means the total expenses exceeds the total revenue. The difference reflects the loss. So, the second objective is calculation of profit and loss. It means whether the business has earned profits or incurred losses. For this point, here we need to prepare profit and loss statement so that we get to understand whether the business has earned profits or incurred losses. Here I will explain this point through one example. For example, we will take there is 6 lakh profit and 5,40,000 is the loss. A company has earned profit of rupees 6 lakh and loss of rupees 5,40,000. Here it means there is rupees 60,000. An organization, it has earned profit of rupees 60,000. It means excess of revenue over expenses. Profit is more than loss. Okay, I hope you have understood so far this point. And next we will move to the third point, that is depiction of financial position. What does it mean? Accounting also aims at ascertaining the financial position of the business concern in the form of its assets and liabilities at the end of every accounting period. What does it mean? Okay, I will explain. A proper record of resources owned by business organization means a proper record of resources. It means assets. A proper record of resources owned by business organization and claims against such resources. Claims against such resources means liabilities. Facilitates the preparation of a statement known as balance sheet position statement. Means in the third point, that depiction of financial position. Third point is depiction of financial position. Here it explains that we need to prepare the balance sheet. It explains or it gives the details about the assets and liabilities of an organization. Okay, next we will move to the fourth point, providing accounting information to its users. It means the accounting information generated by the accounting process is communicated in the form of reports, statements, graphs and charts to the users who need it in different decision situation. So here we have understood that accounting is important, means the main objective of accounting is informed decision making, means providing accounting information to its users in the form of reports, statements, graphs and charts So the main objective of accounting is to provide useful financial information to various stakeholders such as investors, creditors, management and regulators to help them make informed decisions. These are the objectives of accounting. One more time I will tell you. First one is maintenance of records of business transactions, and second one is calculation of profit and loss. Means here we have to prepare the profit and loss statement. It will give the details whether an organization has incurred profit or loss. And third one is depiction of financial position. Here we need to prepare the balance sheet. It will gives the details about assets and liabilities of an organization. And third one is providing accounting information to its users for making informed decision making. Okay, so these are the objectives of accounting. I hope you have understood so far, and if not, please leave a comment. Okay, this is about objectives of accounting. Thank you.